So that's what I'm going to try to fix now. So first things first, let's get the battery disconnected. Battery's disconnected, so let's disconnect the power disconnect. Disconnecting power disconnect. Then we'll run the wire back down through and pull the unit up. Alright, so we got these 4 bolts that were here. They're T30s. Then I'm going to take off these 2. Leave those are T20s. Maybe T25s. Take those off, and then there's 3 bolts in here that need to come out. And then this whole piece can come off, and we can go and remove where that is, because we're going to move that from here over here. Alright, so we're going to have to take off these 4 bolts. So I'm going to pull this piece through, and then once that's through, we'll feed it to a hole we're going to make up here to match the diameter of that hole. And we'll do that using this stepping bit. Alright, we've gone through and bored out the side there, fed the cable through. I'll just reconnect it back in, and then once it's back in, close it back up, and we can get back to installing everything back on again. Alright, so after a little bit of figuring whatnot, ended up getting this all moved over to where I want it to be. I think I'm going to wrap this through there just to have it just be a little bit more tucked away, but it gives plenty of room now. So let's throw everything back together, and once it's all together, it might be time to finally stretch out the line. Right, so after all is said and done, we've got the power cable coming out the side now, no longer touching back here, which major bonus. So I just need to wind it up or wrap it out.
Show up.